Hi friends, this is Srinivas Ram Shetty. Welcome back to my channel Square Root, the channel where you learn different mathematical concepts and mathematical tricks, not by mugging up the steps, perhaps by understanding how each trick works. Today I am going to discuss a generic method from Vedic mathematics to multiply two different numbers. Consider multiplying 123 into 412. 123 has 1 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place, 3 in units place. 412 has 4 in hundreds place, 1 in tens place and 2 in units place. So after we multiply, we will get one number. It will also have a particular digits in each of these place values. So in this method, what we are trying to do is we are just trying to find out a digit of each place values, and hence we are arriving at the product. How do we go ahead? 3 is in units place and 2 is in units place. 3 into 2, 3 units into 2 units is 6. So we get 6 in the units place. We have 2 in the tens place and 2 in the units place. We have 1 in the tens place and 3 in the units place. Put a line here. 2 in the tens place and 2 in the units place. By multiplying this, you get 4 tens. Now rotate this line clockwise. You get 1 tens and 3 units. So 1 tens into 3 units is 3 tens. So by adding this, you get 7 tens. So in tens place, you will get 7. Now we have to find out hundreds place. We have 1 hundreds and 2 units. Now put a line here. By multiplying this, you get 1 hundreds into 2, that is 2 hundreds. Now rotate this line. 2 tens into 1 tens, that is 2 hundreds. Now again rotate this line. 4 hundreds into 3 units is 12 hundreds. So adding this, you get 16. That is 16 hundreds. But every place value can have only one digit. 16 hundreds means 6 hundreds and 1000. So this 1 would contribute to the thousands place. So I will put 6 in hundreds place and 1 I will put as a carry in thousands place. Now we have to get the thousands place. Let me erase these lines. Now we have to find out the thousands place. This is 100 and this is tens place. 100 into 1 tens gives 1 thousands place. Now rotate it again. 4 hundreds into 2 tens give 8 thousands. But after adding this, we get 9 and we also have 1 carry. Adding this, you get 10 thousands place. But we can have only one digit in a place value. So here it will be 0 and 1 will be taken as a carry for 10 thousands place. Now we have hundreds, 100s and 400s. 100 into 400 is 4 10,000s, and we also have 1 in already in 10,000s. By adding it, you get 5. So here it will be 5. So the final answer is 50676. This is our final answer. Let's consider one more example. 456 into 324. Here we have 4 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place, and 6 in units place. And we have 3 in hundreds place, 2 in tens place and 4 in units place. Now, what should be in the units place? 6 into 4, which is 24, but we cannot have 2 digits in the units place. So, we write it 4 and 2 is a carry. Now, 5 tens into 4, that is 20 tens. 2 tens into 6, that is 12 tens. Total 32. We already have carry 2. So this will be 34. So it will be 34 tens. So 3 will go as a carry to the hundreds place. Now 4 hundreds into 4, that is 16 hundreds. 5 tens into 2 tens, that is 10 hundreds. 3 hundreds into 6 units, that would be 18. This would be around 26, 46, 44 plus 3, this would be 47. So this would be 7 hundreds and 4 thousands. Next, 4 hundreds into 2 tens, that is 8 thousands. 3 hundreds into 5 tens, that is 15 tens. This would be 23 plus 4, that is 27. So this would be 7,000 and 2 would go as a carry. Now 4 hundreds into 3 hundreds, that is 12. We already have 2 carry. So this will be 14. So 147744. This is the answer. Let's consider one more example. 482 into 32. Here we have 4 in hundreds place, 8 in tens place, 2 in units place. We don't have any number in hundreds place. This can be considered as 0 hundreds. 3 in tens place and 2 in units place. Now, according to the method, we have to find out the digit in units place. 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 is in the units place. To find the number in tens place, 8 tens into 2 is 16 tens. 3 tens into 2, that is 6 tens. That would be 22 tens. 2 would come to the tens place and this 2 would go to the hundreds place. 4 hundreds into 2 is 8 hundreds. 8 tens into 3 tens is 24 tens. 0 hundreds into 2 units is 0 hundreds. This would be 32 plus 2 in the units place. This would be 2 in the hundreds place. We are adding it, so we get 34. So this would be 4 and we get 3 carry to the thousands place. Now, to find the thousands place, 4 hundreds into 3 tens, that is 12 thousands, plus 0 hundreds into 8 tens is 0, and we already have one carry here, plus 3 is 15. So our answer is 15424. Let's consider another example. 678 into 12. Here we have 6 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place, 8 in units place, 1 in tens place and 2 in units place. So we don't have any number in hundreds place, we can write it as 0. Now, to find out the digit in units place, 8 into 2, which is 16, we write it 6 here and 1 would go as a carry for the tens place. 7 tens into 2 is 14 tens. 1 tens into 8 is 8 tens, which would be 22 plus 1 already there as a carry as tens place. This would be 23 tens. This 2 would go as a carry to the hundreds place. 6 into 2. 6 hundreds into 2 is 12 hundreds. 7 tens into 1 tens, that is 7 hundreds. 0 hundreds into 8 is 0 hundreds. By adding this we get 19 plus 2 as a carry, we get it as 21. 1 would go as hundreds place and 2 would comes to the thousand place. Next, 6 hundreds into 1 tens is 6000. 0 hundreds into 7 tens is 0. We have 2 already carry, this is 2. Adding this you get 8. So this is our final answer, 8136. The session for this week ends here. Thank you for watching my video. Next week I would come with a different tricks for multiplication. Till then, take care, bye bye.